Hi, I'm Ron Duncan with House to Home, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a canister light fixture with a new one. In order to do this, we're going to need side cutters, straight blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, wire strippers, and 3 yellow wire nuts. The first step that we need to take, as with any circuit that you're working on, The first step that we need to take, as with any circuit that you're working on, is we need to disconnect the power at the circuit breaker. In order to demonstrate how to remove the existing fixture and install a new one, I have constructed a mock-up. This is the underside of the drywall. This is the canister, or also a recessed fixture. First, I'm going to unscrew the light bulb. I'm going to remove the trim cover. And that leaves me with the canister. Next I need to remove the spring-loaded clips and pull out the can. So now I have removed my fixture from the existing ceiling and have exposed the incoming power. I disconnected my hot from the incoming hot. I disconnected my neutral from the incoming neutral. And I have disconnected the ground wire from the incoming ground wire. And now I'm simply going to remove that circuit in order to take my can completely out. I'm ready to put the fixture into the opening. I have my clips ready to go, and all I do is slide the fixture in. And now I'm going to slide these connectors, the spring clips, I'm going to push them up so that it grabs the back of the drywall. And you can see the clips that are grabbing the back of the ceiling. And I'm ready to put my trim and light bulb back in. This has been Ron Duncan with House to Home, and I've showed you how to replace a canister light fixture with a new one.